when it comes to starting your own pickup and delivery laundry business, there are multiple ways that you can differentiate yourself from the competitors. Because if everybody's starting the same type of business, if everybody's trying to get into the laundry space, if everybody's trying to provide the same service, there are multiple ways that you can stand out. Some of it could be on pricing. A lot of people like to say, oh, you should charge less because, you want to get more customers. But for me, I always say you should charge more, because the premium shows that not only do you have good service, but if you charge more, you can provide a discount and people can get it for the same price as your competitors. But you also can take away that discount and then make more money than your competitors, because your competitor can't raise their price $3 within a night, but you can, because that's what your price has always been. So it's one of those things where not only could you do things like compete on pricing, not only could you do things like compete on quality. There are some laundry places that, your competitor might just be wash, drying, and folding and then taking it to the person's house. But you might wash, dry, and fold, and each bag has a handwritten letter that says thank you. You might wash, dry, and fold, and you might be doing the laundry at people's house rather than doing it at a laundromat. Whatever it is, there might be something that you might be doing when it comes to the quality of your service, when it comes to the quality of your product. And so if you want to stand out, there are multiple ways that you can stand out. But in this video, the one thing that I wanted to say, the one thing that I feel like is going to help you the most, the one thing that most people aren't necessarily aware of when it comes to standing out, is that you can use eco-friendly products, services, and mindset when starting your own laundry pickup and delivery business. Meaning, if you have a pickup and delivery business that's eco-friendly, meaning your drivers all use electric cars or hybrids, the fabrics that you use, or the fabric softeners, the detergent that you use, is all eco-friendly, and it supports local and environmental causes. It's one of those things where all of the the bags that you use are reusable or recycled or whatever it is. You find a way to make yourself eco-friendly, and you use that in your business model, mission statement. And it's one of those things where, because at the end of the day, the earth is suffering, and one of the biggest problems that we have is that there's too much clothes out there. That's why we have companies like this, so we could be washing your clothes, reusing your clothes, rather than you buying clothes, wearing it once, and then never touching it again. It's just sitting in your closet, and then you ordering some more clothes. So it's one of those things where you can make money from being eco-friendly, because not only are you going to be needing to save the environment and the earth, but the fashion, clothing brands, the industry when it comes to clothes, shoes, shirts, pants, it's already not that eco-friendly. So you can stand out by simply being eco-friendly yourself. Like I said, when it comes to detergent, whether it comes to your mission statement, whether it comes to your drivers, whether it comes to your donations, you can say that 1% of all your donations go to supporting Wildlife Foundation. Whatever it takes, whatever it is, you can make more money, you can get more customers, and you can save the environment by actually having eco-friendly service, by having an eco-friendly product. Okay, because at the end of the day, like I said, there's too many businesses hurting their environment, so you could be one of the few that actually save it. And so, like I said, when you're starting your pickup and delivery company, or even if you have one already, the eco-friendly mindset perspective is something that you want to have, is something that you want to do, because at the end of the day, like I said, it's okay to save the environment while also making money. Okay.